Hi, I'm Jess and I'm going to show you how to clean your shower glass. I'll be using a shower cleaner, a magic eraser, a microfiber cloth, some safety gear and a window vac. First things first, when you start, make sure you remove all products from the shower. This gives you a clear space to work in. Make sure when you're using shower cleaner, you have your safety gear. I'll be using some gloves and glasses. Using a shower cleaner, spray on the glass surfaces. Let it soak in as per the instructions on the back of the pack. For the hard to wipe areas, use a magic eraser, a splash of water and some elbow grease to clean the areas like the bottom and sides of the shower. Rinse the affected areas with cold water. Use a jug and sponge if you don't have a hose in the shower. For a streak-free finish, dry right away with a microfiber cloth. Alternatively, I'm using a window vac, which is great to clean and dry the shower screen at the same time. And there you have it, you have a beautiful clean shower screen. Make sure you clean regularly to avoid the build-up of soap scum. I clean mine once a week.